What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado, and my wife Haley and I have a full-time eBay and YouTube business. This means we film ourselves going to flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, anywhere where we can buy things super cheap and then flip them online for a profit. This past Saturday morning, we woke up at the butt crack of dawn, like we've done multiple times in the past, and headed to our local flea market. And we have usually had really good luck at this flea market, but this Saturday was built different. We went through the entire market and we didn't find a single item that we could flip. And we were sitting there at the end of the market. It was like 7:30 in the morning and we were like, we have to do something. We can't just wake up and not have anything to show for it. So Haley got on her cell phone and found out there was a garage sale about 10 minutes away from the flea market, and we didn't have anything else to do, so we decided to go check it out. The pictures didn't look great, but you can't really judge a yard sale based on the pictures a lot of times. So we didn't really have high hopes for this sale, but it ended up being one of the most profitable sales we have been to in a very, very long time. Check it out.
Went to it says it's a church sale, but I don't know if it's a church or not. I miss this old table.
I was wondering.
This King Cobra sword letter opener thing was really cool, but I don't really know how to find the value of an item like this. For 50 cents, I just decided to take a chance on it. We might be able to sell it for 20, 25 bucks or so. This Venom statue was insanely cool. I thought it was an action figure at first, but it actually felt more like a paper mache material than a plastic, but it still ended up being one of the more valuable items we have found over the last couple months, so stick around to hear more about that. This other guy here was only 25 cents. I have no idea what he's from, but he had a date on his foot of 1993, so I went ahead and took a chance on him. Once again, I had no idea what was going on with this wizard plate, but I've heard from my friend Tiffany over at the Thrifting Vegas YouTube channel that wizard-themed items do sell pretty well, so I decided to go ahead and take a chance on this for only $1.
Sure brought our wagon. Did you see anything?
These books are 25 cents and this one sells for like 14 free shipping, and there's 9 listed and 10 sold.
Oh wow, that's really good. I'm gonna see if I can get a box or something. Do you guys have a box or anything? I'm still looking, but or can I just like set these down somewhere?
You can set them in. Somewhere? Somewhere.
Right there. Make a little pile here.
All right.
In here with this beautiful feather launch. Beautiful feather. Somebody needs to set it down.
Oh yeah, those are. Dicing with dragons, that one's probably good.
Which one?
Nintendo Club.
I love finding cool vintage items like this, especially hidden away in books. Even though this Nintendo Club card has somebody's name written on it, we should still be able to sell it for about $40 on eBay, which is crazy to me.
Oh, shout out Retro Rick. Have you looked at any of these yet?
I'm kind of just pulling them apart. I'm not scared. My knees really hurt.
Your box of books over here, would you guys do a deal if just we got all of them? Here's some cassettes too. They're right over here. We're just looking through, and instead of picking them out one by one, you might just get all of them if you want to.
You're gonna be doing a lot of reading.
Yeah.
Somebody is. Anyway.
Yeah, that's right. Somebody.
I mean, what you think? What you think they're worth? I mean, they were 25
so
cents a piece,
yeah,
so
it's,
you think it's probably, I don't know. Probably,
You want both of them?
yeah.
Oh.
So just picking up like So it's $1 per 4, so 100 books would be 20 bucks. I don't think there's 100 here.
Just to correct myself here, 25 cents times 100 is not $20. It would be $25. There's a reason I am a YouTuber and not a mathematician. Sorry about that.
Close, but I don't think so. Maybe like 10 bucks for everything.
I think that's a darn good idea.
Okay.
This looks like that. This
Yeah.
stuff comes from my neighbor's estate
Yeah.
that I'm handling next door to me.
This is just a piece of it, but she's got more.
No, we had to sell, but this is our 5th sale.
Oh, wow.
Really?
Because my dad passed away in May 1st. So most of the yard sales up until that time were most of his stuff.
Yeah.
And then the last one was incorporated the rest of his stuff and her stuff.
Yeah.
And so this is mostly the rest of her stuff. There's a
Okay.
little, my sister's got a little bit out here, but most of this stuff is hers.
Okay.
We just about got our house cleaned out. Thank God.
We'll do 10 bucks for all the books. Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna kill
And I got a
them.
little pile on the table in there. They should know.
Wait, we don't even want to throw in the car so nobody digs through them.
Yeah, I'll pull the car up though.
My grandma does.
1978.
She decided that she wanted to do obviously I get free for grandkids.
I'm gonna get this cool pony pick too. There's a whole. I know. There's just so much. Okay, this is 1993 Lion King.
And you didn't want to come here.
I know. All these are Disney. Well, most of them. Some of them. Okay, let's go get the books first.
Shout out Joey.
Shout out Joey.
Okay, this
Is that
is
old? That's McDonald's.
Walt Disneyland. Definitely gonna get that one.
Okay.
This one. Who is this? Which
Chip,
one?
Chip or Dale? One
Chip.
of them.
And this one. Do you want? This is in Disney Country Bears.
Probably not. Never had much luck selling strawberry shortcake.
Little Donald Duck. House of Mouse.
What is that? A year on it?
No, I don't think so. Oh wait, here's Pinocchio.
Yep. Oh, Pink Panther. I didn't even see that.
Yeah. 1998.
Wow. Cool truck, bro. Oh, here's a. Look at the Stitch new attacks. And it's got a Venom button.
1994.
Wow.
And an M&M.
Who's gonna list all these plush?
Me. Coca-Cola bear.
Coca-Cola bears are pretty. Well, I don't know, maybe. Oh, got a Pikachu. Look how chubby he is.
Oh wow.
He's got some. He's like a battery operated one.
Oh look.
Pluto. Scarecrow Mickey.
Alvin.
Another Pikachu. 2007. I don't know if this is worth anything, but I think it's pretty cool.
That's probably because it's a little rougher.
Look at it. Oh, it's more of those balls. Ooh, I'll drop them. 50 cents.
I found a lot. Like I found some things that we can like lot together.
Yeah,
Like little small ones.
I think a lot of
found-
this will be
I
lotted.
think I found Alvin, Theodore, and what's the third one? Chipmunk.
Simon.
Simon. I found all three of them. One of them doesn't have his clothes, but I think it'll still be good.
Yeah. Weird Al. The Police. Top Gun. Animals. I saw that. I don't know.
It's from 93.
Oh, okay. All right, so I already put the books in the car. The books for 10.
Right.
We haven't paid for anything yet, so we got 10 on the books. This whole thing's filled with plush and these two things.
So the books are 10.
Yeah.
Now this all this
How about $40 for everything?
Sounds good.
sounds good to me.
That's good.
She's not in here, but we're saying nothing.
I think most of these are 20. I think the plush are 25 cents.
Okay.
That was like 25 to 50 cents. That was $2. The books were 10. So
Okay, that sounds good.
yeah, throw it in.
$1.
Yeah. We're adding this in too. There you go.
I appreciate it.
Thank y'all. Happy to help you clear some stuff out.
355 is 155.
You don't need no air mattress, do you?
I gotta get those tapes. If I would have asked them to tell me a price on all that stuff, it probably would have been less than $40. But $40 is a great deal for everything we picked up. I feel comfortable paying that. Clears out a bunch of stuff for them. And there's plenty of room for profit on all this stuff.
So we got home from the garage sale and Haley immediately started listing some of this stuff on eBay. And we've actually already made a couple sales. First one going out was this book that was part of the big box of books we got for 10 bucks. This one sold for $18.98 plus shipping. And we've also sold this vintage Harley Davidson pig plush for $13.99 free shipping. And even after fees and shipping, we've made back more than half of our total $40 investment already just on those two items. We still have a whole thing of plush, a whole box of cassette tapes, and 2 whole boxes of books, not to mention the best item of the day, which was that Venom figure. And there he is. Guys, check out the detail on that mouth right there. That thing is just scary. And again, this is not an action figure. It doesn't really feel like plastic. It feels more like a lightweight paper mache or something. You can see there's a little crack in his abs right there and a little chip back there on his hip. But other than that, he's in good shape. We paid $2 for him. And on this foot, I'll try to show it to you in the light. It does say Marvel comic 1992. So let's take a look at this. So I believe that this listing on eBay is for the exact same item we have, the Marvel 1992 Horizon 1/6 Venom statue vinyl model kit, professionally built, rare. You see it's listed for $225 plus shipping. Taking a look at some of the pictures, it does look to be in a little bit better condition than the one we have. But I mean, it's the exact same item, so condition definitely matters a little bit. But if this one's listed for $225, I think ours should be listed for about that same price. And unfortunately, there are none that have sold on eBay in the last 90 days, but this is such a cool item. The new Venom movie came out recently, I think, so maybe if we price ours around $150 or so, $150 to $175, it may sell a little bit faster than this guy. And that would still be a great flip, you know, turning $2 into $150 or even more. So definitely a fantastic find at a yard sale for $2. So for everything else we got at the garage sale, the books, cassette tapes, and the plushes, I think there are going to be a couple items that'll be worth listing on their own, like that Lion King plush and that book that we've already sold for $19 plus shipping. But I think for the majority of the other items, it's going to be best to sell them in lots of similar items. So like with the cassette tapes, if we have multiple tapes from the same band or the same genre, those can probably get lotted together and sold in a big bundle. The same with the plushes. We had a lot of Disney plush that on their own are probably worth $3 or $4 plus shipping. But if we can lot 5 or 6 of those together and sell it for $25 or $30 plus shipping, I think that'll be an easier way to move this inventory without having to, you know, list individual plushes and cassette tapes and books. We can make a lot of money that way, but it will take a long time. But either way you look at this deal, paying $40 for everything we were able to grab today is just an outstanding deal, and we should make tons of money on this haul. So thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.